Hey guys, it's Amy from Amy McLean's Dietary. So with North Hop coming up, hands up who's going. I'm definitely going, I can't wait. I'm going on Saturday evening. But for all you guys, so we're going to be there enjoying it, but we're not going to be there all weekend. You guys are going to be there all weekend. You're going to be there from tomorrow, setting up all day through, and then tomorrow evening, tomorrow evening, and all day Saturday. Your guys' feet are gonna burn. So I would give you some top tips on how to look after your feet, both in advance of the craziness that's about to happen the next 2 days, and then what happens after North Hop. You're probably gonna sleep for a week, but what things can you do to your feet to help? So my top tip for in advance of North Hop, so in advance of running about, would be do make sure that you are in the most comfortable pair of shoes you own. They could be black trainers, they could be an ankle boot, but please make sure that you are in the most comfortable things. You are going to be non-stop, and actually if and when you do stop, you're going to be on hard floors. So you need to make sure that you are in the best shoes. I hate to say this, but it's function over fashion these days, guys. You need to make sure that you're comfortable. The first thing that's going to give you jip are your feet. It's not going to be your head, it's not going to be your arms, your shoulders, it's going to be your feet, so make sure that you look after them. Another thing that would be a really good idea to do, more so during North Hop, so when you're busy or in between shifts, is maybe change up your socks. So I've got a couple pairs here. So you've had your socks on in the morning. These are fabulous, by the way, bamboo socks. So you've had these on all day and you're in between sessions. You maybe want to change out to another pair of wonderful bamboo socks. You want to change out to a different pair. These are going to be clean, they're dry, they're lovely and fresh, and after running about for hours, your feet are going to be tired. So you want to freshen them up with a fresh pair of socks. So that'd be a top tip. The second thing that I would recommend is get some talc in your life. It's amazing. So baby talc, because it smells so darn good. A little bit of talc on your feet in advance will keep your feet nice and dry, and it will keep them a lot fresher. So hot sweaty feet, that's going to keep that at bay. So that would be a really great thing to do. And also maybe get this on after as well. It's just going to help refresh the feet before you get home for a shower. The last thing that I would suggest that you do, but this is I guess after the event, so once you are just dog tired and once you've slept, you wake up, you want to get some of this on the go. So this is Heal Magic. This is something I use in clinic a lot. It's really good for nourishing the skin. It's got all the good stuff in it. Whatever foot cream you've got at home, get some on those feet. You need to give them love. So with that in mind, have an awesome time. I cannot wait to be there on Saturday. Get your footwear in check, get your socks in check, and get some talc on the go, and all that, and you'll be good. Have a good time. See you later. Bye.